everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am posting my new March-April 2024 Double Click Connect Challenge. Every other month I will post a theme and show a project that I made using that theme and showcase my new release of color dewdrops. They are currently available in my Etsy shop, which is linked down below, or feel free to direct message me for a direct purchase. It does save me on Etsy fees, and I would like to thank everyone that has been direct purchasing from me. I appreciate your support so very much. To enter, you do not have to use dewdrops or mail in your project. Simply do a VR showing your project using the theme, tag me at DoubleClickConnect, and use the hashtag DoubleClickConnectChallenge. Leave a comment and be a subscriber. The challenge will be open for the next 2 months. You may enter as often as you would like. Each time you enter and tag me in a separate video, then you will receive another entry. The prize will be a bag of dewdrops, and I will draw a winner after the post of my next challenge. This is not sponsored. You must be 18 years or older. The prize is for US residents only, but anyone can enter. If you do not post on YouTube, feel free to follow and tag me on Instagram. This is a great way to use your stash. If you search my hashtag DoubleClickConnectChallenge, it is a great way to meet new crafty friends. Before I show you the new release, let's go ahead and talk about the challenge. This challenge is going to run from March 1st until April 30th. The theme is to use the colors green or yellow, St. Patrick's Day or Easter. So any of these will get you an entry. I don't want to exclude anyone, so I hope these are broad enough for everyone to enter. The prize is a bag of my dewdrops, and this is the prize for March and April. We have some really lovely colors in this set. My new release is currently available on Etsy, and let me show you what the new colors are. We have this St. Patrick's Day green. So pretty. And then I picked some Easter colors. We have this Easter eggplant, Easter egg blue. So pretty. And we have this, I don't know, should we call this like the peep yellow? It's so sweet. And those are the colors for the new release for March, April 2024. Let me show you the project that I created. This is the project that I created. This was a stamp gifted to me from Gina over at Gina Loves to Craft. I will link her channel down below. It says, "A friend like you is like a 4-leaf clover, hard to find, lucky to have." It is a great sentiment. I cut this big clover out on my Cricut. Here are one of the St. Patrick's Day greens and the peep yellow. So cute. The dewdrop doesn't give much more dimension than any other embellishments that I would use on my projects. And that is my entry for this current challenge. The challenge that is going on for the January-February. Thank you to all that entered. I will be searching my hashtag and updating this for anyone that I may have missed. This is the prize for the January-February. I hope you will consider entering into my new challenge. I'd like to show you some of the current sets that are available on my Etsy shop. We have the Pasteloween, the October, this is the August, we have the July, the June, the May, the April, and Ginger Pastel. I only have 2 of these left, and then once these are sold out, they're sold out. Also have a few sets of my Christmas release. And the current release, which is the Valentine's Day, is also in my shop. That is my challenge for the March-April 2024. The current release is available in my shop. It's $5 with free shipping, 25 of each color for a total of 100 dewdrops. I thank you all for supporting my small business. Thank you so much for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye, guys.